concept in game theory that works under uncertainty. My name is Ankit Kumar, and I will be covering the formal definition of Asian Games and the key concepts related to Asian Games. Later in the presentation, Avesh will be covering Asian Games with a detailed example. So we have structured the presentation into 9 key sections. I will be covering the expected utility, and then Avesh will cover the Bayesian-Nash equilibrium and Sheriff's dilemma. So before we deep dive into Bayesian games, we should understand what is the motivation for Bayesian games. So in standard game theory, we already know all the actions a player can take, what are the expected utilities, but this rarely happens in real world. In real world, we don't know what the other player, what the other player's payoff functions are and what actions it will take. So there are two. First, we should define the incomplete information. A game has incomplete information when at least one player does not know the full payoff function or the type of profile of other players. And the other important term for Bayesian games is beliefs. So beliefs are how other players think about the types. Type space represents the private information. It includes their capabilities, how skilled or resources a person has, their preference, what outcomes they value the most, and their cost, what it costs them to take certain actions. Beliefs are the probability distribution over type space. And players update their beliefs after they receive information. To formally define Bayesian games, there are two components. N represents the set of players that are there in the game. A represents all the actions they can take. Eta represents the time space. Common prior is the information that all the players have before the game starts, and payoff function represents the individual profits. So there are two kinds of strategies in Bayesian games: pure strategies and mixed strategies. Pure strategies is basically the direct deterministic mapping of type space to actions, and mixed strategies is the probability distribution. Expected utility is how strategies are evaluated in Bayesian games. Because there is uncertainty over the types and over what opponents will do, players care about their expected payoffs. There are two key notions of expected utility: interim expected utility and ex ante expected utility. So interim expected utility is calculated after the player knows about its own type, and the ex ante expected utility is calculated at the very beginning of the game.
Now I will understand you about the Nash equilibrium. In this Nash equilibrium, a strategy profile is a natural equilibrium if a player chooses a strategy and its higher expected utility other than no alternate strategy is greater than this, then it is the Nash equilibrium. Now we understand what is Nash equilibrium. So summation of all the probability. It is the types of probability of the opponent types. Given the player type, theta. It is the opponent type and it is the player type. And utility of the player, action taken by the player, strategy followed by the opponent player given its type, and it's the type of the player given type of the opponent. So from this we can calculate the expected utility of the player, and it is from AI to all the possible action of the players, and it is from all types of the opponent player. Now we understand it with the example. The example is of sheriff result. First we show the probability table. There is two types of the suspect. Suspect of is two types. It's a criminal or it's innocent. And the sheriff is of one type, which is sheriff only. Now we draw the table. There is two actions, true and not true. And it is suspect true or not. And the suspect type is of criminal. And when it is of suspect is of suspect. Now from this table we can how to take. First of all I will tell that how the we are getting this equation. Like if suspect shoot and sheriff are shoot, both are equalized, no one gets profit and no one is lost. As the criminal is killed by the sheriff and the criminal also kills sheriff. And in this sheriff does not shoot and suspect shoot. And the criminal kills sheriff. So sheriff utility is -2 and its utility is +2. Now if sheriff shoot and suspect now, it is the like the suspect is killed, it's -2 and like it have to shoot him, like so it's have a loss of -1. And if both is not shoot, then it is not, both are not satisfied with the actions. That's why we get it -1, -1. And if innocent shoot, it is the innocent shoot and sheriff also shoot. In this it got -3 because of like it is innocent but it shoot. So now it is not innocent. And in this like suspect innocent not shoot, innocent shoot and sheriff does not shoot. So sheriff got killed and as it already shoot, it is got -1. And if sheriff shoot and suspect not shoot, suspect get killed and it got -1 due to the actions. And if both are not true, it is the best outcome, like both do not do any action. It is the best. Now you see that if it is type of criminals, then its best is to shoot, like it is 0 and -2. So 0 is preferred and it is -1, 2, so like this is preferable if it is criminal type. And if it is innocent type, it's -3, -2, minus and 0. So it can prefer this one. Now we can calculate the expected utility of the sheriff according to this book. Like now we calculate the expected utility. Like so sheriff had two actions. Action 1 is to shoot and action 2 not shoot. Now as it is of only one type, the sheriff is only of one type, so it only equivalent to the P. The type, the probability of criminal type, and 1 minus P for probability of innocent. So from now we can check, like we have two actions. We first calculate the expected utility of shoot equal to the probability of type criminal. We include P, like utility of get of sheriff. Action 1 is of shoot, and it is the basic strategy of the criminal type, then which is the shoot. So it also comes here shoot. And this is the type of sheriff, and it is criminal plus 1 minus P for innocence multiplied with utility of shoot. Strategy followed by the innocence is not shoot, and it is of sheriff. Now we put the variables like utility of shoot and shoot, which is 0, 0. So we can put here 0 plus, and it is shoot and not shoot. Total 2 and 1. It is minus 3 plus minus 1. It is equal to P minus 1. And now we can check for not immediately its probability of utility of sheriff. It is not true. Action taken by the criminal is true. if it is greater than this, like p minus 1 greater than minus 2. So if probability is greater than 1 by 3, then the best utility of sheriff is getting by shoe. And if probability is less than 1 by 3, its best utility get by not shoe. So we can calculate that it is the threshold probability cutoff. Like that if it is criminal type, it is preferred to shoot. Action innocent type, preferred not to shoot. And if it is sheriff, chooses by expected utility, which means provide that if p is greater than 1 by 3, it will shoot, and if it is less than 1 by 3, it will not shoot. And it is the formula we have already here. It is similarly to this one, shoot and form not shoot. Equilibrium strategies are like for criminals it will be shoot and innocent do not shoot. Sheriff action act on P and threshold will appear if like similar to it depend on P. Private types and prior belief determine optimal action, like what's the type of the players and opponent determine what action to be taken.